Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Leo and Anna English. Quick question, Leo. Do you know how to call for help here?
I hope I never need to find out.
That's the problem, right? We never think about it until we need it.
Yeah, and then our brain just goes blank.
Exactly. So today, let's fix that. A few simple phrases. They can save a life.
Okay, I like the sound of that. But wait, can I tell you something first?
Of course, go ahead.
Last year, a man fell down at the bus stop. Right in front of me. He just dropped.
Oh no, what happened?
Honestly, I froze. I didn't say one word. A woman ran over and shouted, "Call an ambulance."
And what did you do?
I stood there like a statue.
I think that's normal though. Fear takes your words away.
It really does. My mouth just stopped.
And later you think of the perfect words.
Yes, on the way home, I knew them all.
That's how it always works.
So how do I get the words in the moment?
You make them small and simple. Big words fail, small words save.
Small words save. I like that. Right, so I want easy words, words I won't forget.
Perfect. Let's start with the most important one. If someone is in danger, you shout, "Help."
Just help, one word?
One word, loud and clear. People will look.
Okay, that one I can remember.
Then you say what you need. Call an ambulance or call the police.
Wait, what's the difference again?
An ambulance is for sick or hurt people. The police are for danger or a crime.
Got it. Ambulance for the body, police for safety.
Nice way to remember it. So if my neighbor falls, I shout, "Call an ambulance."
Yes, and always add where you are.
We're at the train station. Simple.
Oh, that's smart. They need the place.
Right. No place, no help. The ambulance can't find you without it.
Let me try one. Help. Call an ambulance. A man is hurt at the market.
Perfect, Leo. That's exactly it. You just did 3 things in 5 seconds.
Really? What 3 things?
You called for help, you said what you need, and you gave the place.
Huh. It sounds easy when you break it down.
It is, but you have to practice. Say it out loud now. Yes, at home.
Everyone pause and say it. We'll wait.
Now, one more useful phrase. If someone is scared, you say, "Calm down."
Calm down. I hear that a lot.
Yes, it means relax. Don't panic. You say it slowly and softly.
Oh, so the way you say it matters.
A lot. Calm down in a kind voice. Not like an order, like a friend.
Got it. It's okay. Calm down. I'm here.
Perfect. That's the warm version.
I like that phrase. It helps both people.
Right. The scared person and you too. Okay, here's something people forget. When you call, they will ask you questions.
Oh, right. A real person answers the phone.
Yes, and they stay calm, so you stay calm.
What kind of questions do they ask?
First, what's your emergency? You answer in one short sentence.
Like, a man fell and he can't move.
Perfect. Short, clear, no long story.
Then what?
Then, where are you? So give the address, or a big landmark near you.
A landmark, you mean like a famous building?
Yes, next to the blue supermarket. That helps.
Oh, that's clever. I always know landmarks.
And one more. Is the person awake?
Awake? You mean, are their eyes open?
Right. Awake means not sleeping, eyes open.
So I say, yes, he's awake, but he's confused.
Look at you. You're a natural.
I don't feel like a natural, but thanks.
Okay, next, what if you're the one who's hurt?
Oh, that's scary. What do I say?
You say, "I need help." Short and clear.
I need help. I can do that.
Then tell them the problem. "I can't breathe," or "My chest hurts."
Wait, slow down. I can't breathe.
Yes, breathe like taking air in. If you can't breathe, that's an emergency.
That's a phrase I really don't want to use.
None of us do, but knowing it is better than not knowing.
True. Okay, one more time for everyone. I need help. My chest hurts.
See, Your English is already saving lives.
You know, there's one phrase I hear a lot. In movies, people say, hang in there.
Oh, hang in there. Great phrase. It means stay strong. Help is coming.
So I say it to the hurt person?
Yes, you stay with them and say it. Hang in there. The ambulance is coming.
That's kind. It's not just words, it's comfort.
Exactly. In an emergency, calm words help too.
I like that. It gives the person hope.
And it keeps you calm as well.
Can I be honest about something?
Always.
I used to think I'd panic in English, like my English would just disappear.
I felt the same for years. But then something happened to me.
Oh? Tell me.
2 summers ago, I was in a small shop. An old man near me suddenly grabbed his arm. His face went white. He couldn't speak.
Oh no, what did you do?
I surprised myself. I just shouted, "Somebody call an ambulance. He's having a heart attack."
Wow, in English? Under pressure?
In English, the words just came out.
How? You always say you get nervous.
Because I had practiced those exact words many times, alone, in my kitchen.
Wait, you practiced emergency phrases at home?
I know, it sounds silly. But that day, I was so glad I did.
So the practice became automatic.
Right. Panic takes new words away, but it can't take practiced words.
That's a powerful idea, actually.
Here's how I say it, Leo. In a real emergency, you don't rise up. You fall back on your practice.
You fall back on your practice. I never thought of it that way.
So practice the boring phrases now. Your future self will thank you.
Okay, this is a good moment. If this episode is helping you, drop a like. It tells us to make more like this.
And follow Leo and Anna English for more real situations.
Now, what happened to the old man?
Oh, good news. The ambulance came fast. They took him to the hospital in time.
And he was okay?
He was. His daughter thanked me later. She was crying. It really stayed with me.
Wow, a few words made that difference.
A few words. That's all it takes.
Not every emergency is about health, though.
True. Sometimes it's a lost child.
Oh, that happened to me once. A little girl was crying in the mall. She couldn't find her mom.
Oh, poor thing. What did you say?
I knelt down and said, "Are you lost? It's okay. Let's find your mom."
That's lovely, Leo. So gentle.
Then I found a guard and said this child is lost. Can you help us?
Perfect. Short, calm, and clear.
And her mom came running 2 minutes later.
See? You already knew the words.
I guess I did. I just didn't notice. Okay, let's help everyone remember them. Quick review. What do we shout first?
Help. Then what you need.
Call an ambulance or call the police.
Then the place. We're at the park.
And if I'm hurt, I say I need help.
Plus the problem. I can't breathe.
And to comfort them, hang in there.
You got it. All of it.
You know, I feel different now. Less scared, more ready.
That's the whole point. Ready, not perfect.
Right. I won't freeze at the bus stop again.
And if you freeze for a second, that's okay too. Just take a breath. Then shout the words you practiced.
One breath, then the words. I like that.
Let's leave everyone with one small task. Tonight, say these phrases out loud once.
Just once, in your own kitchen like Anna.
And maybe you'll never need them.
But if you do, you'll be so glad.
One more thing before we go. Learn your local emergency number too.
Oh, that's true. It's different in each country.
Right, so find yours and save it now.
Good tip. Words and the number, both ready.
And tell your family the plan too.
Oh, that's smart. So everyone knows.
Right, kids should know the number by heart.
My little cousin knows it. I don't.
Time to catch up with your little cousin.
Okay, I'll learn it tonight.
See? Even Leo is still learning.
Always. That's the fun part, right?
It is. We learn together here.
And that's why I love this show.
Oh, okay. Before I cry, let's wrap up. That's it for today, everyone.
Stay safe out there and keep practicing.
See you in the next one.